Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to today's maths class, chapter 4, Lines and Angles. So today we are going to discuss last sums, 18 and 19 sums from exercise 4.3. So let us move to the first sum, children. In the adjacent figure, AB is parallel to CD. Find the values of x, y and z. So what they have given in the question, children, line AB is parallel to line CD. Okay. So we have to find out the values of x, y and z. So let us move to the solution, children. So what they have given, line AB is parallel to line CD. Okay. So you observe the figure here, children. AB is a straight line. So the angles at a point on a straight line, at a point on a line is equal to 180 degrees, isn't it? So angle x plus 70 degrees plus x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So x degrees plus 70 degrees plus x degrees is equal to 180 degrees, angles on a straight line. So now let us add x plus x. X plus x is 2x plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now let us transpose x 70 to the either side. So you will get 2x is equal to 180 minus 70 degrees. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 70 is 110 degrees. So I have to find out the value of x. So what you have to do, children, let us transpose 2 to the either side. Then x is equal to 110 degrees by 2. If you cancel 110 with 2 table, you will get 255s are 110. So you got value of x is equal to 55 degrees. So we got the value of x is equal to 55 degrees. Okay. Here 55 degrees. Now we have to find out the value of y. So to find out the value of y, let us consider this triangle PAE. So we can use here some property to find out the value of y. So angle P plus angle A plus angle E is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property. So angle P is how much there? Y degrees plus angle A 90 degrees plus angle E x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. X means how much we got, children? 55 degrees. So angle Y plus 90 degrees plus 55 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So now let us add 90 degrees plus 55 degrees. So you will get 90 plus 55 is 145 degrees. 9 plus 145 y plus 145 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now let us transpose 145 to the either side. So y is equal to 180 degrees minus 145 degrees. So value of y is equal to 35 degrees. Now we got value of y. So we got value of y, children. Now let us find out the value of z. So here you consider what they have given, children. Line AB is parallel to line CD and CE is a transversal. Okay. So what you observe, children, in two parallel lines, CE is a transversal, angle Z plus x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. What? Sum of interior angles on same side of transversal is 180 degrees. Isn't it? So Z degrees plus x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Z plus X value, how much you got? 55 degrees. So Z plus 55 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Now let us find out the value of Z. So let us transpose 55 to the right hand side. So Z is equal to 180 minus 55 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 55 degrees is 125 degrees. So value of Z is equal to 125 degrees. So children, we got x value as 55 degrees, y is equal to 35 degrees and Z is equal to 125 degrees. Okay children, let us move to the next sum. In each of the following figures, AB is parallel to line CD. Find the values of x in each case. Okay. So they have given line AB is parallel to line CD and you have to find out the value of x. Okay. Okay children, let us move to the solution. What they have given children, AB is parallel to CD. Line AB is parallel to line CD. So we have to find out the value of x here. So to find out the value of x here, let us do construction here. Draw a line L parallel to AB and line CD which passes through E. Okay. Now let us find and name this one as angle 1 and this has angle 2. Now to find out the measure of angle 1, first let us consider AB. Line AB is parallel to line L. So what do you observe here children? Angle 1 plus, here they have given the measure as 104 degrees, isn't it? So angle 1 plus 104 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. You know the reason, isn't it? What? Sum of interior angles on same side of transversal is 180 degrees. So angle 1 plus 104 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. You have to find out the value of angle 1. So let us transpose 104 degrees to the either side. Then angle 1 is equal to 180 degrees minus 104 degrees. So you will get angle 1 is equal to 76 degrees. Now you got angle 1 has 76 degrees. Let us consider this as equation 1. Now let us find angle 2. Okay, measure of angle 2. So to find the measure of angle 2, let us consider a line L, CD is parallel to line L. These two lines are parallel lines. So again the same process children, angle 2 plus 116 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Same reason, what children? Sum of interior angles on same side of transversal is 180 degrees. So we have to find out the value of angle 2. Angle 2 is equal to, let us transpose 116 to the right hand side. So angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees minus 116 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 116 degrees is 64 degrees. Angle 2 is equal to 64 degrees. Now we got angle 1 has 76 degrees and angle 2 has 64 degrees. Now you have to find out the value of x, measure of x. Measure of x means what children? Angle 1 plus angle 2, isn't it? So x degrees is equal to, from equation 1 and 2 children, x degrees is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 we got 76 degrees plus angle 2 64 degrees. So x degrees is equal to 140 degrees. So the value of x is equal to 140 degrees. So in the same question, 19th question children, this is the second sum in that. So what they have given children here, line AB is parallel to line CD and they have asked to find out the measure of angle x. And here angle C they have given 35 degrees and angle A they have given 65 degrees. Okay, you see the second figure, children, here. Before that, what they have given, children, line AB is parallel to line CD. So to find out the measure of x, you look at the second figure, children. Let us draw a line L parallel to AB and CD. Okay, which passes through E. Passes through line L, passes through E. So first let us find and name this angle as angle 1 and this as angle 2. So first let us find the measure of angle 1. Now let us take first what CD, line CD. Look at the figure, children. Line CD is parallel to line L. Then angle 1 will be equal to how much, children? 35 degrees, isn't it? What is the reason there? Alternate interior angles. So angle 1 is equal to 35 degrees, alternate interior angles. Let us consider that as equation 1. Again you observe the figure here, children. AB, line AB is parallel to line L. Then angle 2 is equal to 65 degrees. Again the same reason, alternate interior angles. So children, from equation 1 and equation 2, x degrees is equal to 1 degree, angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 how much you got, children? 35 degrees. Plus angle 2 how much you got? 65 degrees. So x degrees is equal to 35 degrees plus 65 degrees. 35 degrees plus 65 degrees is how much, children? 100 degrees. So x is equal to 100 degrees. So the value of x we got it as 100 degrees. And last one more sum is there in this 19th sum. You do the sum by yourself. Okay, children. So children, I hope so you have understood the sums which I have explained in today's video. So rewatch the video one more time for better understanding. Okay, first you practice the sums and do the same sums as assignment. Okay children, thank you and have a good day.